travel time is like 24 hours.
Yeah.
How it is going.
Der steps also. See?
Yeah. We have worn the clothes. Christina is the name of the mine. Salt mine Christina in Hallstatt, Austria.
Und wie gesagt, bitte zwischen den Schienen bleiben und einer nach dem anderen.
Stand in a queue in between the rails.
Hands to the body, yes. Next, up.
This is the salt mine. Salt mine.
Wir sind jetzt hier offiziell in unserem Schaubergwerk angekommen. Das heißt, alles zu jedem Zeitpunkt von hier an ist rund um uns Salz.
Different kind of salts. Salts.
Inland waters form, separated from the open ocean by barriers.
Das warme Klima und die intensive Sonneneinstrahlung.
Below one is water and the reflection of the ceiling. You can see.
So there are actually just two mining methods that are still in use.
Trennen das Salz vom Taugengestein.
The younger children's task is to hold the torch and to separate.
Hanging clothes here, taking out our stuff. The salt at the exit.